away! Leave me alone! 3, 2, 1. Well, I found out what the rattle on the front was. Bloody keyring fob thing. Should we go up there, go all the way around, turn round, go all the way back? Yes, yes, no, no. Is she still there? No, she beat us. Oh no. No! Janky Loom. Chan. Tan. It's like a CH and a T combined, as far as I can work out. Chan. Oh, it's roadworks. Got bits of bamboo. I love it. Bits of bamboo to keep people out, look. Don't you just love Thailand? Whatever it takes, you know. Nobody will kill them because they've got a lot of respect for them. Oh my God, you see that lightning? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, it's raining. It's here. How do I explain this? I need this to be perfect before I'm going to be number one happy or number two happy. It's not the perfection, actually yes, it's the perfectionist in me, but I also want to make it as a perfect machine. Somebody has said it's shoddily put together, and I've got to admit, yes it is. With things like insulating the bus bars and stuff like that, I've got to make it right now. Look at my slippers. And in order to do it properly, I've got to take all of the fairing off. This is something that I don't want to do. It's a shit video to make, but I've got to do it now. I've got no alternative. I have to do it. Now, not only that, but the things like the balance wires. Oh God, I thought I got a shock then. The balance wires, they're not perfect, and I want it to be perfect. I want this to be a finished project. It's been running fine, actually. I mean, you're watching this video probably 2 months in the past now, but it's been running absolutely perfectly. And I also want to find out what the rattle is. I don't know if it's the geometry of this thing. I don't know exactly where the rattle is. It's not the battery. It cannot be the battery. There is something on the suspension somewhere that rattles. I've been finalising all the touches on the battery. As you can see, it's just a shame it's going to be undercover. I've shrunk absolutely everything, finalised everything, protected everything, done all the balance wires and everything. So I've got to put it back together, and unfortunately it'll never be seen again. That's all it's getting. That's all it needs. It's just weather shielding, I suppose. I ain't got the finance to build anything to go over the top. That thing's sealed anyway. There's the neoprene on the outside keeps it nice and snug, so there's nothing getting in there. But it's still got some breathing holes. I know people are going to say that you should put something around that. No, not going to bother. It's not moving, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, I've got the rest of the fairing to put back on now, and then I can put the seat on. This will be the last time it comes apart. I keep saying that.
You have 5 new messages. Message 1. Message deleted. Message 2. Hi Michael. Message deleted. Message 3. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for calling. Message deleted. Message 4. Hi again, I'm so sorry for calling. Message deleted. Message 5. Let me again, and I'm so sorry.
I'm going to record this because I might not have got it right. Now, I spliced into this cable. This is a charger for my bike. I spliced into this cable and basically put a joint on it, but the joint was getting rather hot, so I decided to go straight to the board. Now when I took it apart, I was looking at it and it was live to the left, neutral to the right. But when I've looked at the output, it's backwards. I might have got this backwards, but I don't know. So I'm going to put that, will it go there? Actually, what's going to go pop first? The power supply, I think. Here we go. Nothing's on fire yet. That's good. That's good. You know, you question yourself sometimes. Oh, it's working. By the looks of it, I got it right. Don't quite understand that. Let's see if we can get them all to 3.4 volts. I'm just going to give this a burst. Oh, oh, they threw me off the back then. Oh, chicken. Oh, bloody hell. Dog. Is this a caribou? I don't know, but it doesn't look very happy. It's a bull. Oh, shit. Don't you dare. I'm going. I hope you're tethered. Look at this. It's so quiet and so scenic. It's beautiful, isn't it? This is literally 2 minutes from me. They have houses like this. They're just boarded up. I mean, look, it's boarded up, just completely abandoned. So what's it like to live in Thailand? In rural Thailand, of course. You've got, look at these rice fields here. You see the water's, oh shit, I'm going, oh, bloody speed, right? Oh no, it's probably a gas pipe. You see these speed bumps, and they're actually, no, they're not speed bumps. It's basically someone who wants to plumb gas in over the road, or water, or electric, or anything else like that, and that's what they do, is they put a speed bump. They put the wire in and then just concrete over the top of it. Right, let's go. Is this a race? Oh shit. Oh no, it's cut out. This battery's full. Looks like I've got I must have bloody overridden one of the cells, overdriven it. I've got no throttle. That's basically running on regen now. So I've got to wait for the BMS to reboot now. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's just see what happens. Why did that cut out? Have we got a cell going under voltage? We'll have a look. Yeah, it's gone again. There is no warning. What happened then? So that's second now. Better do a video, hadn't I? I forgot to give me good mornings. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another fantastic day on planet Earth. The BMS is cut out. Oh my god, I think I've got a problem. It's not over current. I don't think it's cutting out because there's a low voltage. So why is it cutting out? Like that. What the hell's going on?